So guys, here in this video we will discuss about that how to find the mode for ungrouped data and grouped data. So first of all, we have to know that what is mode. Actually, mode means we can say that in a statistical data set, the number of if we consider some observations, if we consider some observations which occurs more frequent, which occurs more frequently, that is known as the mode of the statistical data. That means for the ungrouped data and the group data. And for the ungrouped data and group data, there are two procedures to find the mode. So here first we discuss about that how can we find the mode for ungrouped data. See here we take one example for finding the mode for ungrouped data, and this is very much easy. That is, here we consider that some item size are given here, that is 4, 5, 6, 9, and the frequency of the size 4 is 5, frequency of 5 is 4, frequency of 6 is 9, and frequency of size 9 is 6. And see that when we find this type of ungrouped data, we have to find that whose frequency is most. You can see here that here the most observed frequency is 9. So here for this ungrouped data we can say that this one that here for this ungrouped data set the 9 is the mode. So this 9 is the mode. And sometimes if it is given in another formats, then first we have to like I just give you one thing, that suppose this is given in this form, that 1 3 5 7 5 5 6 6 7, like this one. Then how can we find the mode of this data set? First we will rearrange from in a ascending order, that is we will find it 1 3 5 is 3 times, then 6 is 2 times, and 7 is 3 times. So you see that you can say from here these 5 of 5 also 3 times, and 7 is also 3 times. Okay, 1 is 1 time, 3 is 1 time, 5 is 3 times, 6 is 2 times, and 7 is 3 times. And here we see that the frequency, that the number of the frequency of the observation are same for the more than one cases, then we can say actually here we can say that this statistical data has unique mode. Unique mode, or we can say this is a unimodal series. Similarly, if we consider this data set here, two mode are exists. Here two mode exist. This is known as bimodal. And if we find another one, that is like here, it also 6 is considered is 3, then we can say that for then your highest frequency is 3, and that occurs for 3 particular observation, then I can say this is the trimodal series. And for an if you find another anything, that is known as the multimodal series. So actually this is very easy to find the mode for ungrouped data. Just check that what is the highest frequency of the observation, and that is the mode. And if there is any repetition, then you can say that this is bimodal, trimodal, or multimodal, etc. So I hope it is clear to you. Now I am going to show you that how to find the mode for any grouped data. So see here that if you find this type of question, that this is not, this is also a continuous case, and how can we find the mode for this type of data. So see here that what is the working formula, that mode is equal to, I can say here that f1 minus f0 divided by, just see it here, Let's just see here. Then mode is equal to f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus h0 minus f2 star h plus l, where l is the lower limit of the model. So now the question is that how can we find the model? Here also same. Here first you have to check from the table that which class contains mode frequency or the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. See here that in this series the 61 is the highest frequency. So I can say here that this is the model class. And here L is the lower limit of the model class. So here lower limit is 60. So here we can write that L is equal to 60. As H is the class. Class length means in the length of each interval. See here, the length of each interval is 20. Length of each interval is here 20. That is first you can see that this is 20 minus 0 is 20. This is 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. This is 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. 60 minus 40 is equal to 20. 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. And 120 minus 100 is equal to 20. So here we can say length is equal to 20 is equal to h. Okay. Now f1 is the frequency of the model class. That is f1 here 61. f0 frequency of the preceding class of the model class. That means this is the f0. So here I can say f0 is 52 and f2 is the frequency of the succeeding class of the model class. That is f2 is equal to here 32. So now here we have to just put all this value in this formula and we can find the mode of this given data set. So here mode is equal to, you can write this 60 plus f1 is 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 into h means here 10. So let's see that what we get, that is 9 by 122 minus 90 into 20. So from here if we calculate what we get, that we will get from here that 60 plus 180 divided by 30, sorry, 180 divided by 30. 60 plus 180 divided by 32, and if we simplify it we will get the result, that is the 65.625. So this is the required mode. Similarly, now we will solve another one problem for the group data, but here this is not continuous, so I have to just make it the continuous. See here that for this question the range is given, but see that the class length all the class lower limit and upper limit are not same, and in this case we have to make, for the lower limit we have to make minus 0.5 and we have to add minus 0.5 to the lower limit and plus 0.5 to upper limit. And here the new range will be, now the new range will be from here, that is 0.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, and 40.5 to 50.5. So see here that what are the now frequency will remain same, 2, 7, 10, 3, 1. So here first term in observation 18 I have found the highest frequency. See here the highest frequency here, that is the 10. So we choose 10 here. So this is the model class. That means here we can say that f1 is equal to 10. L, the lower limit of the model class is 20.5. F0, that is the frequency of the preceding class, that is 7. F2, that is the frequency of the succeeding class, 3. And h is equal to, here there is the length of the each interval, that is 10. So here the mode will be is of the form, that is f1 minus f0, that is 10 minus 7 divided by 2 into 10 minus f0 7 minus f2 3 into 10 plus 20.5. So this is 3 by 10 into 10 plus 20.5. Let us simplify. We will get this one. This is 20.5 plus 3, that is 23.5. So this is the model mode for the given set. So here we can say that in this way we can find the mode for the ungrouped group data and for the group data. So I hope you understand. So thank you for watching the video.